Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I'm in Villa d'Este actually, so I'm gonna show you just 1 minute of something in Villa d'Este. It's very beautiful here and it's a very nice sunny day in Tivoli. This is Tivoli. This is Villa d'Este in Tivoli, just outside of Rome. And it's the brainchild of Cardinal d'Este, who arrived here in the late 16th century. He tried to become pope by buying his way in, but he was rebuffed and appointed by governor of Tivoli, it just to get him out of the city. Now when he arrived, he threw himself into the renovation of the villa, and because it's on top of the hill, he decided to fill the rest of it with gardens. And because of the hill, he could create incredible fountains and works of water. So this is the fountain of the organ, and it's one of the garden's most famous features. Behind the two wooden doors you can see, there's actually a pipe organ, powered entirely by water. Now it operates every couple of hours and it plays about 4 minutes worth of music. And when it was installed in the late 16th century, it was a wonder of engineering. Pope Gregory XII visited here and he demanded to inspect every single bit of the interior just to make sure there wasn't someone hidden in there playing music. So let's have a look around. Please like and subscribe. Greetings from Villa d'Este, Tivoli.